Hi, Small World family. It's Diona here, one half of the Small World couple. As you can see earlier in the video, we had our monthly birthday get together, but I forgot to give the camera to Shantae. Shantae forgot to bring the camera out as I was opening gifts, and when I finally remembered, it was down to the last gift. So I will be showing you the gifts that I got during our birthday function that month. Let's see, let me get this bag open. And the first thing we got is a car sunshade. And it's so funny, I just was saying last week that I needed one of these because it was so hot in my car because of where I park now. The sun just beams down on it, and it's emojis. You can see there what it is. Super cute. Then we have this pretty box here. See it? Inside there's socks. I love socks. Fun fact, I do not wear matching socks ever. I haven't worn matching socks since October of 2007. Actually, no, I did. One day on a cruise, I wore matching socks together because me and Shantae actually wore matching socks. But it was just inside of the boat for a little while we were taking pictures. And for pictures, like family portraits that we take, I'll wear them. But just for the picture purposes, will I wear matching socks. So yes, these socks will, even though they came matched up, will be intentionally mismatched because I just don't. The next thing I got is facial exfoliating duo face scrubbers. Yeah. I also got a coffee soap infused sponge. Yeah. It cleans, moisturizes, and exfoliates. I also got a bamboo exfoliating sponge. Comes with a hanging handle on it, so you can just hang it up in the shower. It smells good actually too. Next, we're going to go to a vanilla scented bar soap. You see that? And hold on. This soap smells so good. And I love vanilla. It's one of my favorite scents. Also, some facial oil with hemp seed and rosehip. Yeah. Let's see what this smells like. Gosh, I can't get it open. Oh, it smells good. Yeah. It's face oil enriched with fatty acids and vitamin E. Then I got candy. I love candy a lot. Lemon heads, Sour Patch watermelons, sugar babies, and Swedish fish. These are some of my favorite candies. And one thing is that I don't really like chocolate, but there is one chocolate that I will eat, which is Kit Kats. Yes, Kit Kats, my favorite candies. Then I got a car mount for the phone. It's one of these. Yes, and definitely these two, because the one I have in my car now just seems to keep having my phone fall, and I don't understand why. Then I got some Pure Castile soap. It's an 18-in-1 hemp baby unscented soap. Let's see what this smells like. Let's close. Yeah. Gosh, I can't get it open. Do it that way. Oh, it truly doesn't really have a scent. That is awesome. Then it's like a purely unscented soap. Then I got some pink Himalayan bath rocks. It's detoxifying bath salts. You drop a few rocks into warm bath water, stir the water to help dissolve the salts, and then you step in and relax. Yeah. It's not for eating. You guys out there, I use pink Himalayan sea salt on my food, but you do not use this one on your food. It specifically says on it, do not eat it. Can you see that? I'm not sure if I can see it because it's kind of clear through the thing. But yeah. Yeah, bath salts. Yeah. Also got some hand soap. I keep calling this soap hand lotion. When I opened it, I called. I was at the house, I called it. Then I got 2 packs of no-show socks, some Pumas, and some Ralph Lauren polo socks. Also got here, where's the free food? It is a soup dish. It is microwavable. Yeah. You put your soup in here. You got this. Yeah. It's dishwasher safe, and you can microwave it as long as you don't put the lid on it. It says, where is the free food? Yum, yum, yum. The makeup bag, it says, at least when I roll my eyes at you, they look good. And as you may know, I've probably said it numerous times, I am a huge Disney fan. And look, Mickey Mouse. My favorite color is red. Love it. Then got a body bar soap with chai seed, aloe vera, and lavender oil. Yeah, this actually smells really, really good. The whole bag that this was in, all the shirts and all the, I realize now, what is this? The bamboo exfoliating sponge smells like this soap now. From it being in the bag on the ride home. Yes, it smells like it. Then, more candy. Skittles, Whoppers, Butterfingers. I love Whoppers and Butterfingers, so those are chocolate too. And sugar babies. Yes. Getting all this candy eating out of the way because I'm trying to slowly but surely transfer my diet over to a vegan diet. And when I do that, I'm also going to try to cut down the amount of sugars and carbs I eat. during that time. Yeah, I'm looking over there because Shantae just walked in the door. But yeah, but last but not least, another t-shirt in my favorite color, red. As you can tell, wearing red. Red. And red. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching our birthday family get together vlog. And you didn't get to watch me open what I got for my birthday, but you got to see what it was. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You share with your friends. You have a good day or night whenever you're watching this video, and catch you in the next one. Bye bye.